Anytime you have equipment with hydraulics, no matter size, big or small, sooner or later, something gonna need fixing. And when you have that problem, you need the right tools to work with. Right here on this machine, this hydraulic cylinder is leaking, so I'm gonna have to repack it, put new seals in it. But what this video right here is about is having the right tools. What I have in this red box is a set of hydraulic caps and plugs. First thing I would do is give me a wrench, screw the hose off right here as well as right here. Then I'm gonna open that box, find me the right size plug and cap, and screw them on the hoses and on the cylinder. Okay folks, first thing, let's open this box up, see what's in here. It's from Grommet Jet, JIC, and ORFS Master Industrial Hydraulic Cap and Plug Kit. Open it up. Several sizes. If you can see it, 180 piece JIC and ORFS. This is a real nice set right here. Just in case, for some people that don't know, the hose right here has got stamped 12 on the end of the fin. Go right here to your box, find number 12. That's going to be the size you need for your fin right here. Not all the time you might not be able to see the number stamped in some of the fins, but if you do, be an easy way for you to find the cap and plug you need. Put a wrench on here, break it free, screw it off. Number 12. One on that end. Go ahead and put one on this end as well. Put that on there to keep from all your hydraulic fluid from running out of your hose right here. This is a real nice set right here. Come in real nice case. I'm very impressed with it. I would recommend anybody to have any kind of hydraulic equipment to buy a set like this. I have a link in my description so you can check it out for yourself. There you have it, folks.